What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and right here in front of your eyes, I have the 2021 Moto G Stylus. Now, let's go ahead and rewind it back to sometime last year, and you remember this. Micro scratches all over the back of my 2020 Moto G Stylus. But I said, no, this year, I'm going to do it different. So I made sure I had the case well before the phone was delivered. All right, you guys ready to see this case? Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
Okay, so here we have the Spigen rugged armor case for the Moto G Stylus. Now note that this is for this year, 2021. I ordered this case off of Amazon for $12.99, but at the time of this recording, it is currently unavailable to purchase at Amazon. So your best bet is to go to Spigen.com and order the case from there. I'll use this pull tab, so hassle-free packaging is always a plus. Let's go ahead and take the case out of the package. Nothing else in the box. So here is the Spigen case, nicely wrapped up. Let's go ahead and take a look at the case. I noticed the spiderweb design on the inner part of the case. Here's a closer look. This case offers air cushion technology for shock absorption. On the sides of the case, you'll notice these grooves here. This will help with gripping the device. The rugged armor is a flexible TPU case. It has precise cutouts, and it is matte black, so it leaves no fingerprints. Taking a closer look, you like that carbon fiber design. And towards the bottom, you have the Spigen branding. Now, this is a good looking device, and I know sometimes you just don't want to put a case on it. This is the Aurora White, and it sucks, but I want to keep my device as in good condition as I possibly can. So I'll go ahead and just place the case on, and all you do is just snap it in. This is a big device, but with the case on it, it doesn't make it any larger. It's actually a pretty slim and thin case. Fingerprint sensor works, and the case actually allows your thumb to sit comfortably in that position. The volume keys work perfectly. They're tactile buttons, so no issue there. Perfect cutout for the microphone on the top. Now to see how easy it is to pull out the stylus with the case on. And as you saw, I didn't struggle or anything. So they lowered the edge of that to be able to allow the stylus to get out nice and easy. So just make sure that notch is facing the left to put that stylus back in. There is no issue with plugging in the cable for charging. All cutouts are precise. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the case to see what type of protection we're getting for our cameras on the back. And you'll see that the case is slightly raised in order to protect the cameras. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what type of protection we have for our screen. And you'll notice as well, all around the case, the edges are slightly raised. This is the Spigen rugged armor case for the Moto G Stylus 2021. It's slim, it's thin, and it should protect your device from accidental drops. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.